this is Natalie and welcome back to my channel. Oh, look how cute. Today I have an unboxing. This is the red vase for my collection. As you recall, in a past video, I showed you the blue one. There's a red one and there's also a green one. So now I just need the green one and my collection will be complete. I purchased this off of Amazon. Let's take a look at it, see what we have. It looks orange to me, but the package definitely says red vase. So I don't know who picked that color. So here's what the drill field will look like. All right, let's dig in and see what we have. All right, here's Diamond DOTZ logo. Add some sparkle to your world. Diamond DOTZ logo. Yeah, I guess I can see where they would think it's red, but honestly, it's more orange. All right, so here's instructions that Diamond DOTZ always sends. They come in several different languages. Tell you how to diamond paint. All right. Let me just flip it over here and see if I can flatten it out. It's got a really nice quality canvas. It has the threaded edge with the scallop trim to help it from fraying, which is kind of funny because look at here, it's fraying. Good thing we end up framing these and not have to worry about the fraying so much. All right, so just gonna put these right here for a moment. Okay, so tell me, does that look red or orange to you? Yeah, it does have a little bit of red, but it definitely looks more orange. Even the diamonds are orange, so interesting. But anyway, so we have the black background with the glitter. Can you see that in the background? See how it's nice and glittery? It almost feels like a sandpaper. You hear that? But it's really beautiful. It's so sparkly. It's a partial round, nice and sticky. Here's the thumbnail. And this is what you actually drill. This is the diamond area. The design size is a 52 by 52 centimeter. Fabric size is 60 by 60. Pretty good size. I absolutely love the background on these. So sparkly. What is with me and sparkles? Guess that's why I picked up the hobby. Because I love my sparkles. Alright, so this has a total of 21 colors. There's the drill field. Really easy to follow. This is one of their older designs, so as you can see, it does not have their Diamond DOTZ DMC number next to it. So I get to play matchmaker and figure out which one goes where. Then it also looks like it has 3 special diamonds. So we will dig into the diamonds and see what they look like. So it says right here on the package, red vase. It does say right here, Diamond DOTZ 12.022, 12.022. So if the canvas gets separated from the diamonds, they'll be easy to reunite each other. All right, let's see here. Okay, so we've got our normal Diamond DOTZ tools. We've got the gray tray with the cutout, the clear diamond pen, baggies, grippy, and the pink wax in the little jar. All right, and here's our diamonds. Looks like we have some crystals. See if I can. Here's some crystals. And then we've got some browns, tans, orange, puke brown, red, and yellow. And the yellow ones are iridescent. They have that special coating on them. For a red vase, that's sure not very much red. Sure an awful lot of yellows and oranges. Oh, look. Look at all these yellows and oranges. Imagine that. Oh well, it will be beautiful no matter what color it is. And then it looks like we've got some orange crystals. And some lighter, not orange, my gosh, am I colorblind? Gold crystals. Some lighter gold crystals. And then some clear crystals. And then we have some more like a darker gold, almost a coppery crystal. And then we have the gems that were in my blue vase. We have the purple, the yellow, and the smaller purple ones that have that iridescent coating. And they go on the canvas. They go on these big circles right here in the flower. Is that number 3? And then they have the blue ones that go up here on the top of the vase. And then they've got some more up here. So I'm not sure where the crystals go. I haven't had a chance to work on the blue one yet to find out. But man, is that going to be so pretty. I just love these. I know it's probably not a lot of people's taste, but I just think they're so pretty, and I love the diamonds. All the different colors and styles. That's going to make this really a lot of fun. So very happy with it. So there you have it, my friends. Diamond Dots Red Vase. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Keep on crafting, my friends, and I'll see you in my next video.